In this video, we are going to show how to test the dragger tube. This is a dragger tube, and if you see here, there is a marking. This side will be on the dragger side. You have to break both sides. We have already broke this part and this part, the end part. Okay, and this is the tube. We have to punch it. We have to give the stroke. This is stroke system. If we press, it will make stroke here. It's rubber made. I hope you are already familiar with this item. And here, this is the marking. There are two types of marking here. One is N1. N1 means number 1 with the stroke 1, and there is N4, that means number 4. This is 4 stroke. 4 stroke is usually used for less amount of the gas to be detected, like 0.5, then 1, then 1.5, then 2 ppm. And the other one, which is number 1, N1 stroke, is for 5 ppm directly and then 10 ppm. So we will check. Check by a container. This container was full of naphtha before, and as you know, naphtha is having kind of gas inside it. So we found benzene content inside the naphtha cargo. So now we are going to check it by the stroke. Okay, we'll see the change now with 1 stroke. N1. There is no much change. So we will press 4 stroke. Okay. We'll use consecutive furthermore 3 stroke. So number 2 is going to happen now. This is number 2. Okay, again it is pressed and now it's coming out slowly. That means taking the air suction from inside the bottle. So this is how it will be able to measure. There is no additional sensor. Basically, this is just the change of color will happen inside the tube. Second stroke completed. Now let's press another one. Third stroke. Okay, making third stroke now. Okay, third stroke completed. Now we are going to make it the last one, number 4 stroke. Number 4, and taking suction. This is done. We'll see. Now let's check it out. Only up to this. It should be coming up to this. This is the highest one. If 2 ppm. If it is 5 ppm, we should be counted from here. 5 and 10. So 1. So color changed here and up to this only. That means benzene content in this container is less. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the procedure, and to break the head of this dragger tube, you can use this dragger here. This part you can press and then can break like this. This is how we made it. We broke it first before using. So that's done. That is done and finished the job of this dragger. And one more thing to add, that you have to keep it on board for certain time to keep as a reference or as an evidence that you have checked the toxic gases with dragger tube. Thank you so much for watching this video and hope to see you in next video.